Have you ever looked at an electric motor and wondered what is actually happening inside? Today, you're going to find out, not by reading about it, not by watching a simulation, but by building one yourself with your own hands. Here's the problem. Conventional motor training kits are sealed, fixed units. Students observe, they never build. Commercial sets from brands like Lucas Nula and LabVolt cost between 50 and 100,000 ringgit, and even those cannot be disassembled. There is no known tool that allows exhaustive learning about electric motors, from design to manufacturing to operation, until now. Introducing TET-IM, TVET Electromechanical Training Induction Machine, the first electric motor training system built specifically for hands-on TVET education. Designed and developed at EMDLab, Universiti Malaysia, Pahang, Al-Sultan, Abdullah. This is not just a training kit. This is a complete learning system, from design to operation. What makes TET-IM truly different is that you can take it completely apart and put it back together yourself. The open support frame gives you a full 360-degree view of every internal component. The stator core is hand-stacked from individual silicon steel laminations. The three-phase winding is color-coded. Phase A, Phase B, Phase C, and the rotor slides out in seconds. No tools required. TET-IM is built around 6 progressive modules. Module 1, Electromagnetic Theory with a custom simulation app. Module 2, Core Lamination Design and Manufacturing. Module 3, Motor Winding, guided by the Winding Assistant app. Module 4, Motor Assembly and Mechanical Analysis. Module 5, Motor Drives and Control, covering D-all, Star Delta, and Variable Frequency Drive. Module 6, Assessment and Feedback. Each module can be adopted independently, flexible for engineering, engineering technology, and technology programs. 4 features set TET-IM apart from anything else on the market. Stackable laminations, individual loose silicon steel sheets, hand-stacked by students every session. Bolt and nut assembly, chosen over permanent bonding so the motor can be fully disassembled and reassembled every time. An interchangeable rotor, swappable between Induction, PMSM, and SyRM topologies. And visible end windings, so students can inspect winding geometry directly with their own eyes. Every module comes ready to teach from day one. Each unit ships with structured module notes, guided lab worksheets, and dedicated companion web apps, including the IM Winding Assistant, Lamination Calculator, and Electromagnetic Theory Explorer. Instructors can deliver immediately, with no additional preparation required. Theory, simulation, and physical assembly, all in one package. TET-IM is curriculum ready from day one. The modular architecture fits technology, and engineering programs without redesign. With over 50 TVET institutions in Malaysia as the target market and 10 to 15 units required per institution, the opportunity is clear. Starting from 5,000 per unit, a fraction of existing commercial alternatives. There are 2 ways your institution can engage with TET-IM. Option 1, own the equipment. Purchase the complete hardware unit with all modules and companion apps from our $5,000 per unit. Option 2, training service. No hardware purchase needed. Send your participants to our public workshops at UMPSA or invite us for on-site training at your institution.